I'm going to show you how to remove 3mm drive pins from shafts. Use a 3/16 socket or 4mm. Some people like to use a 4. I prefer the 3/16. And you need a vise, a good vise. So put it in there like that. Get it started. We're just going to push it through till we hit the shaft. Take it back out. Now you get your pin that comes from your wheel hubs. This right here comes out of there because it's a little bit smaller in diameter, but it's big enough you can grab it with your fingers. It's easier to hold on to. So you open up the vise, line it up, make sure everything's straight. Not all of them go this easy, but there, I went through. There's the pin. You can see the wear spots on it. It's out. So we're going to put the new pin in, which will be much easier taking it out. Just kind of get it in there. Kind of will stick in there a little bit. Once again, make sure everything's straight and lined up. Just take the vise, squeeze it back in. Well, the new one's going to go in harder. That's why you need a good vise. Take it out, it's still not all the way through. Just keep taking it out. Sure everything's straight. There we go. A little bit more. That looks about right. So it's brand new dry pin. That's it.